Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Thisted here with the CPP Week to Wicked 55 Chevy build. Now we started with the real deal steel Baer body, so we needed the lights. We call it the best, United Pacific. We got their 7-inch round headlights, we got the tail lights, and we've got running lights all LED. But it doesn't matter if you're building a modern hot rod like we are, full 1010s, or if you just want to make your car safer, a little bit brighter, LEDs help out a lot. 7-inch headlights, you can get these standard with a regular bulb or LED, and these LED running lights, turn signals, they are super cool. You can get them in clear, they've got them in orange as well. United Pacific, they've got headlights, taillights, bezels for all popular brands, most popular cars. We're also using the taillight bezels, and we've got the side view mirrors on the 55 Chevy. So if you want to light up your car and light up your life, call it United Pacific.